Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary, one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Our word of the day is alert. It's a C1 level verb that means to warn someone of danger. This is a powerful and versatile word that's essential for effective communication. So let's dive right in. When you alert someone, you're letting them know that something might be risky or threatening. For example, you might alert your neighbor if you see smoke coming from their house. In this way, the word often emphasizes quick and crucial communication to keep people safe. Let's talk about some synonyms for alert. You could use warn, as in the lifeguard warned swimmers about the strong current. Another option is notify, like in the teacher notified the students of the fire drill. Both synonyms work well, though each has a slightly different nuance. While warn focuses more on the potential danger, notify is broader and often refers to sharing important information. On the flip side, some antonyms of alert include ignore and neglect. For example, she ignored the warning signs of the storm, highlights the opposite action of not paying attention to potential danger. Similarly, he neglected to inform his team about the safety hazards shows a lack of responsibility in providing a warning. In everyday life, alert can be used in so many scenarios. Think about an app on your phone that alerts you about an upcoming meeting or a weather service that alerts you to severe conditions. It's a word that's particularly useful in emergencies, but it's also handy in daily communication. Here are some examples of alert in action. The police alerted residents to stay indoors during the search. She quickly alerted her coworkers when the fire alarm went off. You should alert your doctor if you experience any unusual symptoms. To wrap up, today we explored the word alert, which means to warn someone of danger. We discussed its synonyms, such as warn and notify, and antonyms like ignore and neglect. We also looked at how this word fits into our everyday lives with some practical examples. I hope you found this discussion helpful and that you're feeling more confident about using alert in your conversations. Before we go, I'd love to hear from you. Create your own sentence using alert and share it as a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you next time on Hello Word.